Okay, now which para? From where we have to begin?
One evening.
One evening? Am I audible? Can you hear me?
Ma'am, page number 10, second para.
Page number 10 and
Second paragraph.
second paragraph. Okay. So what was the work? How did he earn money? This man, Anil, how did he earn money? Yes, Harsh
Ma'am, first
Mundra, how
many.
did he earn money?
Ma'am, he earned money by lend money from other person and give the money to the other
Ma'am, he
person and
borrow.
take high interest of that money.
Okay, good. You know, 1 week he used to borrow money and the other week he used to lend the money to the person who was in need, right? And this way he earned, okay, he did his earning. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
one evening, put the date. Hurry up, put the date. So one evening, what happens now? The story takes a turn. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. Now, he earned money by borrowing and lending, and the writer says it also seemed he also wrote some articles or some stories for the magazines. So one evening when when Anil he returns back, he informs Hari that uh, he had sold a book to a publisher and he was holding a small bundle of notes. Now during night, this boy Hari, he sees that Anil had tucked the money under the mattress. Mattress you know very well, and tucking means keeping, sliding. Tucking means keeping or sliding. Okay, written. I
Yes,
had been
ma'am.
working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. I had every opportunity for doing so. Now this boy, Hari, he says that I had been working with Anil. He had been working with Anil, and almost a month was over, beta. And he says that I did not rob him. Okay, I did not steal anything. But I only cheated when I went to buy the daily supplies, the daily groceries or the vegetables, whatever. I saved 1 rupee from it. And in my line of work, what was the line of work of Hari saying? Robbery. Okay. So related to his job robbery, he did not do anything. And now he says, now I had every opportunity to do it. Okay, he had every opportunity to steal Anil, to rob Anil. Why he had every opportunity? Why? Yes, why he had every opportunity to rob Anil? 10th class. Yes.
Because Anil is not taking it seriously.
And what more?
Ma'am, the robber had developed a strong trust.
The robber had developed a strong trust, and that is why he had every opportunity to rob Anil.
Ma'am, he
And he
knows
has
where.
a strong trust on the robber.
Yes, pardon.
Ma'am, Anil has strong trust on the robber.
Who's speaking? Daksh. Yes. And he had? Yes.
Ma'am, he had also educated also.
Oh God, beta. Why educated and all?
Ma'am, he knew where
Daksh,
the
you
Anil
answered
cat.
it right now, na? What was the answer, Daksh?
Ma'am, Anil had a really strong faith on the robber.
Very good. Anil had a strong faith on Hari Singh. That is why he left his home whenever he went out to work. He left his home. Okay, even the keys of the room were there with Hari Singh. Right? So he had blind faith on Hari Singh. है ना, पूरा ब्लाइंड फेथ था हरी सिंह पर, अपने रूम पूरा उसके हवाले छोड़कर चला जाता था, उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पर. इवन ही यूज्ड टू गिव हिम मनी टू बाय द डेली सप्लाईज और द रेशन ऑफ द हाउस और द वेजिटेबल्स, व्हाटएवर इट वाज. ठीक है, इतना ज्यादा उस पर विश्वास था. और इवन हरी सिंह, he had a room of the key, he had the key of the room also. Okay, तो वो कहता है मेरे पास हर मौका था to rob him. Clear or not? Not clear,
ma'am.
10th class? You need to respond at once. You cannot speak, you people cannot say yes or no. Say whether yes, you have understood, or no if you have not understood anything. Cannot even give response. So bad.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, Anil had given me a key to the door and I could come and go as I please. Now Anil had given him the key of his room, and whenever Hari Singh he wanted to go out, he was free to move out. Whenever he wanted to come back to the room, he was free. Why? Because the whole day Anil was not at home or at his room. He went out to work, whether it was buying or borrowing the money or whether it was writing some story or something like that. So he was always out for some or the other work. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. Clear? Now Hari Singh, he says that he was the most trusting person. I did not meet any employer who trusted me so much. Okay, he was the only one who was so trusting. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, and that is why it was so difficult to rob him. Now see, he gives the reason. He was so trusting. He trusted me so much, you know. Hari Singh says. And that is why he had so much of faith on me. He had so much of trust on me. And that was the reason it was very difficult for him to rob him. है ना, बहुत मुश्किल था उसके लिए उसको रॉब करना, क्योंकि इतना विश्वास करता था, इतना ट्रस्ट करता था कि अपने रूम की चाबी भी उसको दे रखी थी, सारी शॉपिंग भी वही करता था, हरी सिंह, एंड एवरीथिंग हरी सिंह डिड. सो ही हैड ब्लाइंड फेथ ऑन हरी सिंह. तो इस वजह से हरी सिंह कहता है कि उसको रॉब करना बहुत मुश्किल था, वेरी डिफिकल्ट. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, Hari, you know, he was not trusted by any other employee. Okay, in his life, no employer rather trusted him so much as Anil Singh trusted. Okay, Anil जितना ट्रस्ट करता था उतना किसी एम्प्लॉयर ने उसको ट्रस्ट नहीं करा था, और शायद यही चीज थी that was stopping him, okay, from robbing Anil, है ना, शायद इसी वजह से वो अनिल को रॉब नहीं कर पा रहा था. क्लियर?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see what he says. It is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. Clear? Now Hari Singh, he says it is easy, you know, very easy. Hari thought that it was very easy to rob a greedy person. Who is a greedy? Who is a greedy?
Lalji.
Lalji. Okay, who has this desire to get more and more. Clear? So he says it is very easy, you know, Hari thought that it was really very easy to rob a greedy person. Okay. And because these greedy people, you know, they have lot of money and they have this capability or the money to get robbed. Okay. And he knows very well what he has lost. But for a careless man, but he says it's difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he does not even notice he has been robbed. And that takes all the pleasure out of the work. Clear? Now see what he says. Listen to it carefully. This line you understood, and that is why it was so difficult to rob him. Okay, who says Hari Singh? Hari Singh says that it was very difficult for him to rob Anil. Why? Because Anil had blind faith on him. Right? He trusted him too much. Now he says it is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. Now he says it is very easy to rob a greedy person. है ना, greedy person को rob करना, उसको उसके यहाँ चोरी करना, उसको लूटना, you know, that is an easy task. क्यों? क्योंकि अंदर कहीं ये guilt नहीं होती है बेटा, ये feeling नहीं होती है that the man had trusted him so much. Okay, so he says it is very easy to rob a greedy person because that person, you know, he can afford to be robbed as he has lot of money with him, and when he is robbed, you know, he is too much conscious of his money. So it gives immense pleasure, a kind of a pleasure for the robber to rob such persons. But Hari Singh says it is difficult to rob a careless man. Careless man को rob करना, it's very difficult. क्यों? क्योंकि वो इतना careless होता है कि he does not even notice that he has been robbed. तो कहता है वो ये भी notice नहीं करता है कि उसको rob कर लिया गया है, उसको लूट लिया गया है या उसके यहाँ चोरी हो गई है, और because of this it takes all the pleasure out of the work. Okay, सारा जो मजा होता है ना of robbing का, that finishes, you know. Okay, the robbery is not enjoyed by the robber. When a person is too careless and he hardly notices that he has been robbed. Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, or should I explain it again?
No.
34 students are there and only 1 or 2 voices are there. Is it clear to each and every student?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, it is time I did some real work. I told myself I'm out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. Now Hari Singh, he's talking to himself and he says now the time has come that I should do my work. What was his work?
Robbery.
Robbery.
Of robbing. Okay. Otherwise, he would be out of practice. समझ में आया? या नहीं तो उसकी practice छूट जाएगी. He is talking to himself. Got it? He is not talking to anybody. And then he convinces himself by saying that if he doesn't take the money that he has got, the bundle of notes, surely Anil is going to waste it on his friends. Why? Because this was the habit of Anil. Whenever he earned money, he used to go and celebrate with his friends. Isn't it? We have read it now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
जब भी money earn करके आता था, he used to go and celebrate with his friends. तो हरी सिंह कहता है it's better कि मैं ही rob कर लूं, otherwise he will go and waste it on his friends. After all, और अपने आप को काफी convince कर लेता है कि he does not even pay me, वो मुझे salary भी नहीं देता है. So it's better that I must rob him, that he should rob him. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, Anil was asleep. Okay, this was the night time. And now he has finalized, Hari has finalized that he is going to rob. Until today, he will rob all the money that he has got and kept where? Where did he keep the money, beta?
Under the mattress.
Under
Under
the
the
Under the
mattress.
mattress.
Ma'am, under
So
the
now Anil
mattress.
was asleep, he was sleeping. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. Beam is the ray. Ray, you got it? Kiran जिसको कहते हैं, a ray of moonlight, it was coming inside the room. Okay, it crossed the balcony and it was coming inside the room on his bed. I sat up on the floor considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Now Anil, he was sleeping, he was in deep sleep, okay, and the moonlight, it was coming inside the room. Now this boy, Hari Singh, he did not sleep. Rather, he was considering the situation. He was just thinking about the situation. And then he says, if he took the money right now, if he robs the money right now, it would be good for him as he would get a train at 10:30. Okay, that would take him to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Creeping, you got it? Walking on the knees. Okay. So he just got up from his blanket. He just came out from the blanket and slowly he crept up to the bed. Anil, you know, very peacefully he was sleeping. His face was clear and unlined, means no lines were there on his face, no expression. A very peaceful sleep he was having. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine was mostly scars. Now he says that Anil's face was very clear, very clean. He did not have any wrinkles. He did not have any marks on his face. Okay. And I had more signs rather than Anil. Now my hand slid under the mattress searching for the notes. अब वो आया अनिल के पास, देखा अनिल को, देखा वेरी पीसफुली ही वाज स्लीपिंग, चेहरा देखा उसका, है ना, काफी अच्छा साफ सुथरा चेहरा था, कहीं कोई स्कार्स मार्क वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं थे उसकी फेस पे. And then finally he says that my hand, it slid means एकदम से it went under the mattress searching for the notes. Okay, notes यानी rupees. एकदम से उसने हाथ डाला under the mattress on which Anil was sleeping and he tried to find out the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Now see, he was a robber, okay? So very quietly he was doing everything. He says, when I found the rupees, I just took them out without making any kind of sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. Okay, Anil, you know, he sighed in his sleep. He took a sigh, जैसे आहा भरते हैं ना, he took a sigh, you know, in his sleep and he turned towards Hari Singh. Clear? He turned towards Hari Singh and means he turned his side and the face was now towards Hari Singh. Now this Hari Singh, you know, he was startled, एकदम से चौंक जाता, he was surprised and very fastly he just moved out of the room. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when I was on the road, I began to run. Now when he was there on the road, he came out of the room of Anil. He came out of his house, he robbed the money and he started running on the road. I had the notes at my waist held there by the string of my pajamas. Now, what happened? The notes were there at his waist. Waist to samajhte ho na, kamar, okay? And he had tied the notes with the string of his pajamas. Pajama samajhte yo jo pehante hai, uski string se usne tied kare hue the. I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes, 600 rupees in 50s. And then when he came a bit further from Anil's house, he took out the money. He stopped running. He started walking, took out the money. He counted and he says that it was 600 rupees. Okay. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. और कहते हैं जैसे रिच अरब्स होते हैं ना अरेबियन कंट्रीज के, ओके, अरब्स होते हैं, दे आर वेरी रिच, तो कहते हैं उसकी तरह है ना, उनकी तरह नाउ आई कुड लिव एट लीस्ट फॉर अ वीक और टू, 1-2 हफ्ते तक तो मैं रह सकता हूँ. व्हाट आई सेड, 600 rupees, that means a lot of amount. Why? Because the chapter, it was written many years back. Now the value of the money has increased, isn't it? Got it? So now it
ma'am.
may be 600, maybe
Yes, ma'am.
4,000,
ma'am.
6,000, whatever, but the value of it has been increased. Okay. So he says, I could live like a rich Arab merchant. Okay, बहुत अमीर अरब्स जो होते हैं ना अरेबियन कंट्रीज के, उनकी तरह मैं 1-2 हफ्ते I could live. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
When I reached the
Ma'am.
station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life, but dashed straight to the platform. Now he says, when he reached the station, he did not go to the ticket window to buy the ticket. Why? Because he was not in the habit of buying the ticket. Clear or not better? Got it? He was not in the habit. He says, whole of my life, I did not buy tickets. Robbers, you know, they hardly buy tickets. Right? So similarly, he says that I never bought a ticket in my life. I did not buy a ticket in my life, but dashed straight to the platform. Okay. Fatafat, I dashed means I ran towards the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. See, the train had started moving. It was at a very, very slow speed where a passenger could easily get in and get out. समझ में आ गया? बहुत धीमे ट्रेन चल रही थी, ओके, जहां से पैसेंजर चढ़ भी सकता है, उतर भी सकता है, स्पीड ऐसी थी. The train had still to pick up speed and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages. He says this train, you know, it did not pick up the speed, right? And it was very easy for him to jump up to get into any of the compartment, into any of the carriages. But I hesitated. But he hesitates, you know. उसको थोड़ा संकोच होता है, you know, hesitation was there in him. For some reason I can't explain and I lost the chance to get away. Okay. Now he says, though there was an opportunity for me to get into the train as the train was very, very slow, I could have jumped and got into one of the compartments or carriages. But he says, I don't know what happened to me. He says he had some hesitation and he does not know the reason why he hesitated, but he did not jump into the compartment. He did not try to get into the compartment, and the train, it picked up the speed and left the station. And he was there standing on the platform. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you better go through it. Okay.